What's up YouTube? This is Edward. You can call me Ed. This is my Silverado 1500 2005, sitting on 22-inch rims. I'm gonna do a makeover on this truck, so it's right now it's a little bit shitty, but other than that, I'm gonna do my best to make makeover. And I already installed this these headlights, the bottom ones, because one of them fell down or they stole it, which I don't know, so it looked ugly with one piece missing. These are from Anzo, and I'm gonna be installing the top ones just to show you guys how they look, which I'm gonna turn them on right now, so bear with me a second. I'm in Cali, so it's fucking hot right now, so just bear with me. Okay. So this is how they look. I'm gonna be changing out the bulb, the yellow one, to the switchbacks on the next video. See how they look. Alright, so I'm gonna get to it. Oh, actually, I'm gonna do the unboxing for the tail lights, the top headlights, and the rear third brake, I guess. I don't know, that one up there. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so these are the Anzo headlights. I already opened a box, and this one's the tail lights, and that's the third brake, if that's what you guys call it. So if you guys want to see, they come in two. I already opened one, so let's see if I can close that. They look pretty nice though. The U-bars, I got it in black. And then there's some instructions. And here are the little clips, because we're gonna be installing the U-bars, which are these, onto the parking brake lights. So we're gonna have to splice them up. It's pretty simple, especially if we have this. So the other one, it's the same thing, so that you guys want to see that. Next we're gonna do the tail lights, so you guys can see. Alright, I got these from, those are Anzo headlights. These are Spec-D tunings. I got the LED taillights. These are the instructions to installation, which, yeah. So I got these in black also. Look at that beauty right there. And a resistor. And all this wiring right here, which we'll figure out later on. Alright, and the third brake light, they made a big ass box, just one little thing. Bear with me. Excuse the modelos right there. I mean, they're not mine, but alright, they're mine. Just kidding, they're not mine. Wish they were mine. They're all empty engines, so here's the other one. Just get this so you guys can see. And these are tuning also, I believe. Yeah, spec tuning. You guys can see that. And so this one I got it here, and I think it's too big. It's not gonna fit. Up. We'll see. On this unless I do something else with it, but we'll see. Probably do some modifications, but now for the installing, let's get to it. Alright, so you guys know it's simple. You just take this off. Comes off loose, and that's it. Simple as that. Just take off these. Set these aside. So we're gonna need the parking light. So I'm gonna take this off a little, just to get the wires, which is this one with the bulb. We're gonna use the middle wire and the black wire. So the middle wire is brown and the other one is black. So on this, we're gonna ground the black to black, and this we're going to use the positive for the brown. So we're going to splice that and then splice this other one with the little clips things they brought. So I'm going to stop talking and just show you guys how I'm going to do it. So that's how you do it. It's set up already. I'm gonna put some black tape on it, electrical black tape around it, so it won't cause any more damage, stuff like that. And I'm just gonna leave like this much space, so then I can just twist it, and whenever I change the bulb, just pretty simple, straightforward. these came with some bulbs on it. I took this one off, but I'm gonna be changing both of them to HIDs or something like that, so it can make it look nicer. Because these are the standard yellow ones, so I don't like them. So I'm trying to make it a very HID, not HID, LED looking type. So HIDs will, if I get the 5000K, will be the same, or roughly the same, or it can be even more, to 6000. I'll decide later on. And then this is a little knob, so you can switch it if it can go up, down, to fix it. You guys can see. You just take this off, and then you can just adjust it with the screwdriver, up and down. We're gonna see right now once I install it. It's kind of hard to put it in, but I guess that's it. I just took this off because I was hitting on some little thing, some bracket here, but I doubt it. Never do anything. Hopefully. So that's the setup for both up and down. So let's go check it out, see how it looks. Just gonna put the parking brake for now. Test this out. And whoa, check that out. Doesn't it look sexy? I'm just gonna change that bulb so it can match that one or this one. This one also LEDs, and then HIDs. So let's see if I turn them all on. So these are on. As you can see, it's kind of yellow. Look at that. Nice. We'll see in a bit. We're gonna change the other one. I'll show you guys when I come back how it looks on both sides. So there you guys have it. Look, changed. It gives it a huge makeover, just with the headlights, not with both on. You guys want to check how it looks? You guys can see that. Look at that. Now, what's that? The tail lights. So, just give me a second. I'll change this in 3, 2, 1. What's up, guys? So I'm back here. Now I'm gonna do my tail lights. Look at those. So I'm gonna change these. So this is all plug and play. As you can see, all these three, and then this is the actual bulb for the reverse light, and this is a resistor, so you can mount that anywhere. Well, actually not anywhere, but close to it. And it's pretty simple. 2 screws. Mine is missing one on each side, so I'm gonna see what I can do later on. But for now, I'm gonna install these, and it's pretty simple installation. And let's get to it. Look at that, guys. Fuck. Dirty. Well, let's clean it up a little bit. There you guys have it. Difference. What a difference. Let's compare them. So the resistor, I placed it here, in here, but I forgot that that shit gets hot and it can melt the plastic and it can ruin the thing. So I put it inside, like in here. Yeah, you guys should make the sense. So I'm gonna turn those on. Look at those. What's the difference? So let's see if it lights up. So look at these, right? Look at that. Now look at these. Nice. Look at that. Pure LED right there. And then this is a reverse. I'm gonna be switching the bulb out anyway, so I'm gonna put a LED bulb in there. So for now, it's good. So let me turn on the other ones, the high ones. So this is how it looks at night, right? Just get some shit. Actually, hold up, push the brake so you guys can see. All right. So hopefully you guys got it on camera so you guys can see, which they look dope. That compared to that gives it a huge difference. So when I paint the car, I'm gonna color match it, everything. So that, all that, you know, it is what it is. So I'm gonna do the other side. You guys don't gotta see it, so. Alright guys, so we're gonna change the third brake light, which is that one right there, and we're gonna replace it with this one. It only has one connection. Let's see if I focus. Focus. Oh shit, I don't want to focus. Which is this one right here. So we're gonna put that one, and let's go give it a shot right now. there you guys have it. Changing the third brake light from stock to aftermarket. Just a walk view of the truck. So I'm gonna change these to HIDs, like I said. This one to a switchback, which is a yellow, in the next video, and then the reverse lights to LED. And the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to change all the lights on the instrument cluster and these, because they don't light up. Let me see if I can show you guys. So that's not lighting up, barely lights up. And there, and here doesn't have light here or here, just right here. But I'm gonna change them blue, so stay tuned and subscribe so you can see my next video. And I'm gonna show you all the change, and I'm gonna show you a better before and after. So at night I'm gonna do a video because you can see clearly, and then once I change them again. So stay tuned.